Good morning, it's Martin from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today we have installed a German engineered Westphalia Towbar, considered a factory option on a brand new BMW X3 G series. So it's one of the very new BMW X3s, which is looking extremely nice. Big improvement over the last one. With this Towbar we don't need to cut the bumper, and I'll show you a bit of a close-up on it. So this is the 50mm ball. If you want to detach it, all you have to do, turn the lever, Towbar comes off, the electrics fold away nicely, so then you can't see that the vehicle has got a Towbar at all. And so it is a quick release Towbar. It's professionally installed and professionally coded, so the vehicle knows that it's towing. If you want to put the Towbar back in, locate the hole, and the Towbar is in. The electrics fold from inside the bumper. And there is no movement on the ball versus the competition, where you have to chuck in the hole in the middle of the bumper. If you're looking for German engineered, most reliable Towbar on the market, do not hesitate to contact Australia Towbars and Performance team. Thank you for watching.